Hello everybody, still with me, Martins here, and today is the 1st February 2023. Today is Wednesday, so I'm going to make some vlog about the update my trading journey, okay? Because I consider my vlog is as my personal trading journal. I hope that you can learn a little bit from my trading journal. I hope that's gonna be good for you, and it is when you don't understand, please leave your comment in the column section. Okay, let's go straight to my chart. And now, okay, here we are, we still with Asia market MT5 and still with the Ichimoku Kinkoyo trading system. Okay, last night or yesterday I opened 3 new positions, and today I opened 3 new positions, so overall I have 6 open position. And let's take a look one by one. Okay, the first one is Euro New Zealand dollar. I just take this position today, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours ago, and now it's floating minus $6, and the stop loss is 100 points and take profit level is 200 points. Okay, and the next trade is New Zealand dollar versus Swiss franc. New Zealand dollar versus Swiss franc. Where are you? So this is New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. This is also the second trade that I took this morning in my country time. Okay, New Zealand dollar and Swiss franc. From the moment I'm minus $3, take profit and stop loss is basically the same. The risk reward is 1 to 1. This is 100 points stop loss and 100 points take profit. Okay, the third one, pound sterling Singaporean dollar. Pound sterling Singaporean dollar. Okay, here we go. So this is also the third position that I took this morning several hours ago, and for the moment the price is I still just stay in the nearby in the opening position level. Okay. So another 3 open position I took last night, because last night before I went to sleep I found there is some good setup with Ichimoku, so I decided to took another 3 setup. And the first one from last night, this is pound sterling against Canadian dollar. Let's take a look at pound sterling Canadian dollar. Okay, for pound sterling Canadian dollar, for the moment floating profit $3. See, okay, $3. This is pound sterling Canadian dollar. The stop loss level is 100 points and take profit level is 150 points. Okay, the second trade that I took last night is New Zealand dollar versus Canadian dollar. Okay, New Zealand dollar versus Canadian dollar. Okay, now what is it? Okay, pop. Okay, here you go. This one, the second trade that I took last night. New Zealand dollar for the moment is floating $4. Take a look. The stop loss is 50 points and take profit level is 100 points. Okay, and the third position that I took last night is pound sterling versus Switzerland franc. Here we go. Okay, Switzerland franc for the moment is floating profit $6, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the all 6 position that I took yesterday and today. So if you want to know the reason why I took that trade, is of course because if you're using Ichimoku, you will understand when the Chiku span is outside the Kumo cloud, the candle already outside the Kumo cloud, it is waiting for the this is the Kumo will be break out, and then gonna be the color gonna be changing, become green, and it seems like you can see the Kumo cloud is getting smaller, and getting the sharp shape here, and normal is gonna be break out and become green. So that's the meaning. It's gonna be bullish. So what is the important thing for me, that I put all the stop loss, and I also put the take profit level. The minimum ratio that I use in this particular trade is 1 to 1. That is the minimum, and the highest is 1 to 2. So if 1 to 1, that means 100 points stop loss and 100 points take profit. And if the ratio, for example, 1 to 2, that means is 100 pips stop loss and 200 pips for take profit. It's depend on the daily range, because not all the pair have the same daily range. Some pair, the pair gonna be moved really easily to make really big profit or big movement, maybe 100 or 200 pips easily, but some pair is quite small. So this one you need to do your homework, because I cannot tell you which pair is moving bigger or which pair moving smaller, because it could be different. Okay, it's depend on the time frame that you use. And basically the equity that I have now is around $5,234. Okay, I will make a recap for the month of January later if I have time, but now I just want to make a recap about the first trading, the 6% that I have done in February. Okay, and that is for today. I'll see you in the next vlog. I will update the position, the result from this 6 trade. Okay, I will update each one of it, so you can maybe have a little bit understanding about Ichimoku Kinko here. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next vlog, and ciao.